Hi there! Today I'll introduce the YC-100 10.10, where intelligent humidification meets effortless maintenance. Let's explore its innovative design. Our float control auto-fill system eliminates manual refills. The smart valve automatically maintains optimal water levels, perfect for high-volume humidors or unattended operation. When seasonal storage or cleaning is needed, the quick drain valve allows complete water removal soon, preventing stagnation and mineral buildup. The third generation touchscreen controller offers dual-mode flexibility. 2-meter USB power for permanent installations, battery operation for portable military. The innovative display shows both real-time humidity and target range at a glance. With 1-meter humidity probe, the YC-100 10.10 delivers laboratory-grade accuracy exactly where your cigars rest. Ensure perfect condition throughout our collection. Contact Get Your Air today for wholesale inquiries. I'm Cloud. Thank you for watching.